In a 2020 interview with Yahoo Finance, Warren Buffett, the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, was largely negative of Tesla. Although Berkshire possessed $2.1 billion in BYD stock and roughly $2.2 billion in General Motors business stock at the time, the business had never made an investment in Tesla. But the stock trader is now offloading part of his BYD shares, and it appears that Tesla is the reason for this. Is it reasonable that Buffett and Charlie Munger, his vice chairman, wish to roll over some of their stake in BYD into Tesla? Well, perhaps. For roughly $145.38 million, Berkshire Hathaway recently sold over 6 million shares of the massive Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer BYD. According to reports, Berkshire's stake in BYD stock has decreased from 17.15% to approximately 16.62% as a result of the sale. One of the most prosperous and well-liked investors of all time, Warren Buffett, has a history of selling shares. Previously, the business had sold a portion of its EV firm equity. As per a report with the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, Berkshire presently owns fewer than 1% of its shares in BYD, meaning that as of September, it possessed 219 million shares, or roughly 20% of the outstanding stock in the company. With intentions to invest in Tesla, Berkshire Hathaway reportedly cashed in nearly $600 million worth of BYD stock in just 2 more months, pocketing a roughly 35-fold profit in the Chinese company. Due to the current low prices of Tesla shares, long-term Tesla investors may now, more than ever, perceive a beneficial opportunity to invest in such a lucrative corporation. It was only recently that Warren Buffett, who had previously been pessimistic about Tesla, began to rethink his mind. Perhaps the stock investor believes there is a significant opportunity to purchase Tesla. Before we find out, please remember to like, subscribe, and ring the bell notification button if you enjoy this kind of content so you can stay updated on all things Tesla. Christopher Dungeon, a Twitter user, claims that Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger are accumulating Tesla shares for both Hathaway shares for a number of reasons. The tweet also mentioned that, similar to Warren Buffett, there might be a current collection of less than $1 billion going on behind the scenes. Charlie Munger, who was critical of Tesla in February of this year, has also recently expressed positive things about the automaker and its CEO, Elon Musk. Could it therefore be claimed that these stock investors are starting to get positive about Tesla in light of the recent change? Recently, Charlie Munger, vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway, praised Elon Musk's electric vehicle startup, Tesla, describing it as an incredible achievement in the U.S. auto sector. As per the comic, Munger expressed his surprise at Tesla's impressive performance, underscoring the automaker's resolute position in the electric vehicle industry. Elon Musk's CEO has accomplished several commendable things that others could do, and Tesla has made significant contributions to humanity. He believed that it had been a while since there had been a successful new automobile firm, and that Tesla's achievements in the automotive industry are nothing short of a small miracle. Given their enjoyment of a good deal and their willingness to pay a fair price for a solid company, Buffett and Munger would probably be thrilled to acquire Tesla at even lower costs. While most people think Tesla is still overvalued at these levels, some others see this as an opportunity to load up additional Tesla shares into their portfolio. These financial gurus also enjoy it when a company's stock is unrelated to the core business fundamentals, since it presents a lucrative chance for them to benefit from, as they have done innumerable times in the past. Tesla's stock price is still trading below expectations and is not reacting appropriately, despite the company's earnings per share ratio continuing to climb. For the year that ended on September 30, 2022, Tesla's earnings per share, EPS, increased by 213.26% to merely 3.24 cents. At the time of recording, the stock price is still having difficulty rising above 200. Buffett might also be considering an investment in Tesla due to the anticipated release of the company's semi-truck. In addition to owning a clean trucking company, Berkshire plans to purchase Pilot Flying Jr. in 2023. If Tesla's semi takes off, the automakers could have a decent hedge by forming alliances with massive charging and efficiencies from McLean. This is a chain of truck stops in the US and Canada. As early as December, Tesla intends to get its semi-truck onto the market. The vehicle manufacturer has begun sending out invitations to attendees of its semi-delivery event. This was a long-expected event. It is now scheduled for December 1 at Tesla's Nevada Gigafactory. By 2024, Tesla wants to have produced 50,000 semi-trucks. With additional manufacturing in the upcoming years, the company hopes to rank among the U.S.'s top truck manufacturers. It's possible that Warren Buffett will soon give Tesla more of his attention. A number of analyses have expressed concerns regarding Musk's activity on Twitter. Several of them suggest that the CEO of Twitter may be spending too much time on the social media network. Musk has already warned Twitter staff in a meeting that Twitter needs to produce more money than it spends, and it would take a lot of effort and dedication to get his new firm back on track and profitable. If it doesn't, there will probably be a severe cash flow deficit, which may result in bankruptcy. Fortunately, it appears that Musk wants to remove himself from Twitter's administrative role. According to an expert, when Twitter eventually finds its footing, it may be possible to transfer control of the site to a different person. However, another option is that Musk would be handing over his responsibilities as CEO of Tesla, as stated by a member of the board. Recently, Musk hinted that someone might take over as CEO of Tesla after him. He claims that in the past few months, Musk has determined who would succeed him as Tesla's CEO. Warren Buffett enjoys pricing power in stocks. Therefore, the automaker Tesla may be one of the main reasons he decides to invest in the business. With little impact on demand, Tesla was able to raise the price of American cars in 2021 and 2022. If necessary, the company can even decrease the price of its vehicles. In the EV market, Tesla is the leader, mostly because to its pricing power and profitability. In a lot of its markets, the automaker's vehicles are likewise selling well. 2 Tesla models were the best-selling vehicles in California as of August. With 42,320 registrations through June, the Model I was California's best-selling vehicle. The Tesla Model 3 sedan came in second with roughly 38,933 sales. These 2 Teslas outperformed rivals in every class, including the most well-liked pickup trucks, contributing to the state's ongoing surge in the sales of electric cars. According to Twitter users, Charlie Munger may become even more interested in Tesla and its shares given that he lives in California, where he would have noticed that the EV manufacturer was outperforming every other automaker in the area and that Tesla's cars and charging stations are widely available. It's possible that Charlie Munger and Warren Buffett are making the majority of their acquisitions covertly before 13th. Mid-February of 13th is effectively a snapshot that tells investors what the brightest minds of Wall Street bought, sold, and held onto in the most recent quarter, and since Berkshire Hathaway's investment portfolio recently tops the $313 billion, it is most definitely going to be in that quarterly 13th. Investors track Berkshire's 13F filings to see where the investing legend is putting his money to work in the stock market, and so a new Warren Buffett stock buy can send shares of that company soaring, which is a good thing for Tesla if he is buying the company's stock. However, while it is very likely that Buffett may have sold the sheds and buy Tesla's stock, it is still important to note that the stock investor had previously made negative statements about Tesla, citing his lack of interest in investing in the car company, and so maybe he's not actually selling because of Tesla. But considering that this comment was made a long time ago, just maybe Warren Buffett has developed new interest in Tesla over the last few months. Several investors think that buying Tesla stock now may be a rather dangerous move, judging by the plunging stock price. The bears do not really care about the underlying fundamentals of the car company. All they care about is Twitter and Musk selling more shares. This could be the wrong assumption, since Musk's Tesla sales have nothing to do with the automaker's value. Both it thinks long-term, therefore investing in a company like Tesla with such incredible potential may be very possible over the years. Tesla has produced profit margins that have led the industry, and as its gains continue to accumulate, it is still expected to see significant earnings growth in the years to come. What is your opinion on Warren Buffett selling his stock to purchase Tesla? Sorry, good fortune. Please share your thoughts with us below, and don't forget to share your Tesla valuation with us. Go ahead and click on the following video to see what Tesla has been up to over the past few days. Talk to you there.